I was supposed to have like jollof fries, you know, cake and everything, you know, so it would be like a party, but on my channel today, now, this minute, this second. Okay, let's get right into the unboxing of my new baby. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella, and please kindly ignore, I know it's going to be a little distracting, but I need to wear my glasses and I needed to have the ring light on because of my eyes. Anyway, so welcome back again. Like I said, this is Niella, your girl, and I'm super excited to be coming back to your screens again. Okay. Yeah, if you're my subscriber, thank you so much. You have a special place in my heart right here. For sticking with me through thick and thin. And if you're a newbie, see my face for the first time, welcome. And today I'm going to be unboxing my new baby for you guys. If you have watched my I Can Explain video, you would have heard me mention that one of the reasons why I was away from the tube was because my editing software was lagging at the moment, and it was due to my laptop, and I wasn't going to do YouTube, or I wasn't going to do anything like video editing or photo editing till I get myself a new laptop. Drum rolls please. I'm shaking it so much. Okay guys, so I got myself the MacBook 2020 M1 chip. Yeah, I did. I spent the money. Yes. So I finally got it. And if you're my friend, I would have hinted. I would have dropped small hints here and there, you know, that I had that I wanted to get a Mac. And we all know Mac, like Apple products, are quite pricey. So I just thought that it would have just been a good birthday gift for myself. So this is like a birthday gift for myself. And I just decided to unbox it with you guys, so let us get right into the unboxing video. I was supposed to have like jollof fries, you know, cake and everything, you know, so it would be like a party, but scratch that. Let's get into unboxing. So guys, the box pretty much came like this. It has, I think this is supposed to be like a warning that there's lithium. I think that's what this means. Lithium, yeah, that's what it's pronounced. And it just has my information here. I have a knife, so I'm going to be grabbing that knife. Okay, always ready. Okay, so I think it's pretty easy to take off. So there's something here, I don't know if you guys can see. So there's something here. I think you're just supposed to pull it. Okay, that's super thoughtful. And we have it all open up. Oh my god, guys. Yes guys, so this is the MacBook Air 2020 M1 chip. And I chose the color rose gold. Like, I really don't like gold as a color, but don't ask me why I chose rose gold. So we are going to be unboxing this together, guys. And I think there's also something very easy for you to pull up here. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm just going to pull this up. I'm just going to get rid of this. So like I said, I don't know why I picked rose gold, but before I go ahead with this video, major shout out to Chantel Anyao. If you guys don't know her, just type Chantel on YouTube. Major shout out to her. Like, I reached out to her after watching her own videos, and you know, she sent me a whole voice note. Shout out to Christine Ini here on YouTube. She's also my friend, and you know, she was just there for me when I was ranting. And shout out to Tosin, my friend, that also gave me insights. Guys, the story behind this laptop, I don't know if I want to add it into this story time or just do like an unboxing. So let us unbox together. So the box is the same, so it has like the MacBook Air written here, okay, and it's coming out. It just reminds me when I was unboxing my iPad as well. Sorry guys, I filmed that video, but okay, look at this beauty. I'm not a fan of gold, but this gold looks gorgeous. Let me just increase my light so you guys can see how gorgeous it is. So there's something for you to pull it up. Ooh. Okay, so it comes in this, I think it's a regular Apple, and this is what it looks like. This is the back and this is the front. So I'm just going to keep this on my laps, and here we have the charging cable. We have, I think this should be information on how to use it, and you know, various parts of the MacBook. And this is the charging adapter. Okay, awesome. Okay, so we're going to test all this. I'm just going to pull this open so that I could reveal the port here. And okay, now I don't know which one is going into which one. Okay, so I just want you guys to see. Okay, so I'm going to look at it first before I open it up for you guys. So this is, ooh, how awesome. The Apple logo is already up. As soon as you turn it, you open up the MacBook. Perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to set this up.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, so I'm just going to quickly turn this to me and set it up. So it's asking me if I want to transfer from another Mac or Time Machine backup, or I want to transfer information from a PC, like a Windows unit. I'm just going to click on not now because I'm not ready to transfer anything. So I'm going to sign into my Apple ID, and I'll just probably set up everything and try to just look at everything. And there was a video I watched, I can't remember. There are some things you need to check if you just got your MacBook, to be sure that you don't have issues with the MacBook. So I'm just going to log into my Apple ID and I'll be back with you guys. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? So guys, I'm just trying to set up my laptop here. So we're just going to try to, let's see if we can hit YouTube.
And easily create a powerful online store, fully loaded with all the e-commerce features to run, manage, and grow your business.
Onye ọbụla omenala Igbo na-agụ agụ na-atọ ụtọ na-gekere egwu anya isolokwa mmiri ga-anọ na n'efere isi ọmọdụ ya ọmụmụ.
So audio sound check, and my battery performance, you guys can see my battery health, you guys can see that it was 100%. So we're going to try the camera. Okay, not bad. I'm kind of blocking myself. Can you guys see me? I'm also going to check, another thing you need to check is to be sure that the serial number that is on the laptop is actually the same thing that is on the box. So So I just want to test my keyboard, and I'm going to be going to keyboardchecker.com. Okay, so everything, my keys are working. Brightness to increase, and this is to reduce, so all of my keys are working. LCD tech.info. So this is not what I'm looking for. So I'm just going to go over to apple.com to make sure my product is from Apple legit. But I mean, I actually ordered it from Apple, so I don't need to check if the product is from Apple. I ordered it directly from the Apple store. Another thing I'm going to just do is to check for the serial number. Behind and match it with the one I have on my screen. I'm just going to do that off camera, and I'll be back with you guys. Physical defect, I already did that. When I opened it, everything looks really clean and smooth. So no physical. So what next thing I want to do is to check the battery health and also battery performance, and see how many cycle the battery life has gone through. And this is just pretty easy. You have to hold down the control key. So you have to hold down the control key, like hold it down, while you then tap on this Apple icon button around here. Can you see my cursor hovering around it? It's going to bring out this option. The first thing is going to bring out is details of the hardware, which I just had to, you know, cut off. And the next thing you want to do is to go over right down to power. It's going to give you all of the battery information. So this is my battery information, and from my battery health, I found out that the last time it was charged was 29th of October 2021. I think that was what I saw. If I'm not mistaken, I can go back there, and I just wanted to check that before I quickly plugged in the battery. So the maximum capacity is still 100 here. The maximum capacity is still 100. You can see the cycle count is 1. That would explain how many times the battery has, you know, been charged over and over. And these are the basic things you need to check while you're trying to set up your MacBook, just to be sure, especially if you didn't buy from an Apple website, or from the App Store, or from the Apple Store. Even if you buy from the Apple Store, I mean, you still just need to check these things to be sure that it's not fake that you bought. I mean, so that if there's anything, not really, it's not fake, just in case there's anything wrong with it, you can always, you know, bundle it back and, you know, initiate a return, and they'll probably resend you a new one. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's boring as hell, but I just wanted to show you guys what it is, especially for first time Mac users, because I have been a Windows girl for, I don't know, since maybe 2010 or 2009. That's when I've been a Windows girl. My brother got me my first notebook, and I'm trying to remember the name of that notebook. I honestly cannot remember. Maybe it's HP or Dell. I honestly cannot remember. And there I've been doing Windows laptops, and this is my first MacBook. Trust me, it's totally different. Like, I'm really finding it so hard to focus these days. I think maybe because it's too far, but this is what it looks like. It has like the 2-port here. I actually got this because you guys know the newer Macs, just has like 2 USB ports, and that's it, nothing else. There's no even slot for regular USB-C, USB A type or B type. It's just the USB-C type. And I mean, not everybody has the USB-C cords, and I need to use my hard drive on this because I really did go big on the storage when it comes to this. So I got this off Facebook Marketplace, and I'm also going to test it today to be sure that it's working. I read a lot of reviews and I heard that it's not really advisable for you to charge because there's also a USB-C port. There's also a USB-C port that you can also use to charge your phone, but I heard it gets pretty warm or hot, so it's not really advisable. So this is like an 8-in-1 or 7-in-1. So this is one port here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.